Leo, if you had to describe your best friend in just 3 words, what would they be?
Oh, that's easy. Kind, funny, and extremely loud. What about yours?
Caring, patient, and creative. But describing the people close to us, our family and friends, is something we do every single day in conversation.
Absolutely. Whether you're showing someone a photo of your family or telling a story about a coworker, knowing how to describe appearance and personality is essential.
Today, we're going to give you all the words, natural phrases, and simple patterns you need to talk about your family and friends with total confidence.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 3 of the English Ladder. Let's climb together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Ladder here on English Loom. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. If you answered our daily routine practice question in Episode 2, great job. We loved reading your comments about your favorite daily habits.
If you're joining us for the first time today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This series is your step-by-step path from beginner to fluent English speaker.
In today's 15-minute lesson, we are covering family, friends, and how to describe people. We'll look at physical appearance, personality traits, and the common grammar traps to avoid.
Let's start with family vocabulary. We all know basic words like mother, father, brother, and sister, but let's look at terms native speakers use all the time.
That's right. Instead of saying mother and father, you can say parents. And instead of saying brothers and sisters, you can use the word siblings.
For example, you can ask someone, "Do you have any siblings?" It sounds much more natural than asking, "Do you have brothers and sisters?"
Exactly. And if you don't have any brothers or sisters, you can say, I am an only child.
What about extended family? We have aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents, and the overall group we call relatives.
You can say, I'm meeting my relatives this weekend for dinner.
Now let's move to describing physical appearance, how someone looks on the outside.
When describing appearance, we usually use two main verbs, to be and to have.
Use to be for height, build, and general description. For example, he is tall, she is short, or they are young.
And use have or has for features like hair and eyes. For example, she has long blonde hair and brown eyes, or he has a beard.
Here's a crucial tip. When combining hair length, style, and color, put them in that exact order: length, style, then color. For example, long, curly black hair.
That's a great tip, Mia. Now, what about personality? Appearance is how someone looks, but personality is how someone acts and feels.
To describe personality, we use the verb to be. Here are 4 wonderful personality adjectives everyone should know.
First, friendly, someone who is easy to talk to and warm. For example, my neighbor is very friendly.
Second, hardworking, someone who puts a lot of effort into their job or studies. For example, my brother is extremely hardworking.
Third, generous, someone who likes to share their time, money, or help with others. For example, her grandmother is so generous.
Fourth, easygoing, someone who is relaxed, calm, and doesn't get upset easily. For example, my best friend is very easygoing.
Now, let's look at a common point of confusion, the difference between what does he look like and what is he like.
This trips up so many learners. Pay close attention to this distinction.
What does he look like asks about physical appearance. The answer would be he is tall, has short dark hair, and wears glasses.
While what is he like asks about personality. The answer would be he is funny, kind, and very easygoing.
Let's put this all together in a natural dialogue between me and Leo. Listen closely to how we ask and answer these questions. Hey Mia, tell me about your family. Do you have a big family?
I have a medium-sized family. I live with my parents, and I have one older brother.
What is your brother like? Is he similar to you?
Personality-wise, he is very easygoing and funny, but he can be a bit quiet around new people. I'm definitely more talkative.
And what does he look like? Is he tall like you?
Yes, he is quite tall. He has short brown hair, blue eyes, and he usually wears glasses. What about you, Leo? Do you have any siblings?
I have two younger sisters, so I'm the oldest sibling.
Oh, wow. What are your sisters like?
They are both super energetic and creative. We argue sometimes, but we are very close.
That sounds like a wonderful family dynamic. Now let's move to our favorite segment, Say It Better.
Here are 3 common mistakes learners make when describing people.
Mistake number 1. My brother has tall.
Why it's ong? Height is a state, not something you possess. Say it better, my brother is tall.
Mistake number 2. She is blue eyes.
Why it's wrong? Blue eyes are a physical feature you possess. Say it better, she has blue eyes.
Mistake number 3. How is your sister look like?
Why it's wrong? We mix up how and what. Say it better, what does your sister look like?
Now it's time for our word tour recap of today's key vocabulary.
Word 1, siblings, meaning brothers or sisters. Example, I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister.
Word 2, easygoing, meaning relaxed, calm, and happy to accept things without worrying. Example, our teacher is very easygoing.
Word 3, generous, meaning willing to give help, kindness, or money freely. Example, he gave a generous gift to his friend.
Word 4, relative, meaning a member of your extended family. Example, all my relatives gather together during holidays.
Now it's time for your interactive homework assignment. In the comment section below, describe one person in your family or one close friend using 2 sentences. 1 sentence for physical appearance and 1 sentence for personality.
For example, my best friend Sarah is short with curly hair. She's very generous and funny.
Write your sentences in the comments section below. We will read them, give you feedback, and correct any mistakes.
In episode 4, we're moving up the ladder to talk about food, ordering at restaurants, and expressing likes and dislikes.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and practice speaking these sentences out loud.
Keep climbing, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.